Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel English Developers. Friends, in this video we are going to learn the topic 2.6 World Heritage. It's Chit-Chat and Workshop from 10th standard textbook. So friends, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get our latest video updates. So let's get started our video. .6 World Heritage. It's warming up and chit-chat. Question number 2. Prepare a travel brochure or leaflet of your native place or any town, historical place or hill station to attract tourists using the points below. Ajanta-Ellora Caves, Aurangabad. The answer are given directly. Nearest railway station is Aurangabad. Nearest airport is Aurangabad Airport. Nearest bus stand, Central Bus Stand, Aurangabad. Top 5 spots to visit. Top 5 spots to visit: Ajanta Caves, Ellora Caves, Kailasa or Kailas Temple, Statue of Sleeping Buddha, sculptures. Then next, special feature of these spots: cave paintings and sculptures. The Ellora Caves are a combination of 34 caves. The Ellora complex has 12 Buddhist caves, 17 Hindu caves and 5 Jain caves. The Kailasa Temple. Have fun entertainment: hill stations, water parks, garden, mini rail, waterfalls. These are the have fun entertainments. Now next point is mouth-watering special cuisines or cuisine. Famous Nabi biryani. Then means famous Nabi biryani, pulao, special pav bhaji. Next point is other nearby sightseeing spots: Bibi ka Maqbara, Siddharth Garden, Daulatabad Fort, Krishneshwar Jyotirling Temple. Now it's vocabulary focus. The first is heritage, that which is value because of historical, natural, cultural and importance, means warsa, jatan karnare warsa. Then characteristics, distinguishing features or qualities, वैशिष्ट्यपूर्ण. Artifacts, any objects made by a human beings, म्हणजे मानव निर्मित वस्तू. Scores of, means plenty of, many of म्हणजे असंख्य. Dismantling means disassembling or pulling down. Pulling down means संपुष्टात येणे. Initiated, began, start, आरंभ, सुरुवात. Inventory, the detailed list म्हणजे यादी करणे. Recommendations means suggestions, proposals म्हणजे शिफारस करणे. Criteria, fixed basis to judge म्हणजे निकष. To inscribe means to print, to write or to engrave म्हणजे यादीत नाव घेणे. Territory means region म्हणजे प्रदेश म्हणजे प्रांत. Urbanization include more areas in cities. Expand city area, नागरिकीकरण. Allocate means assign म्हणजे वाटून देणे. Now it's margin question. Its margin question. First, what significant aspects should a World Heritage Site have? Answer is, the World Heritage Site should have a site determined by UNESCO to have significant cultural or natural importance to humanity. Now, margin question second. What do World Heritage Sites include? Answer is, World Heritage Sites include forests, lakes, buildings, monuments and cities. Now, margin question third. Why did UNESCO launch an international champion in 1959? Answer is, UNESCO launched an international champion in 1959 to protect the temple and artifacts. Now, margin question number 4. Why did a White House conference in the United States call for a World Heritage Trust? Answer is, the White House conference in the United States called for a World Heritage Trust to protect historical cultural sites but also protect the world's significant natural and scenic site. Now, question number 5. What does the World Heritage Committee consist of? Answer is, the World Heritage Committee consists of representatives from 21 state parties. Now, question number 6. What is the World Heritage Committee responsible for? Answer is, the World Heritage Committee responsible for identifying and nominating new sites within their territory to be considered for inclusions on the World Heritage List. Now, question number 7. When was the conventions concerning the protections of world cultural and natural heritage adopted and by whom? Answer is, the convention concerning the protections of world cultural and natural heritage was adopted by UNESCO's General Conference on November 16, 1972. Now, question number 8. Who makes recommendations to the World Heritage Committee? Answer is, 2 advisory bodies consist of the International Council. Answer is, 2 advisory bodies consist of the International Council on Monument and Sites and the World Conservation Union makes recommendations to the World Heritage Committee. Now, question number 9. What is the Peru's Machu Picchu example of? Answer is, the Peru's Machu Picchu is the example of mixed heritage site. Now, it's English workshop of this topic. Question number 1. English workshop. Question number 1. Write the importance of the years given below with refer to World Heritage Site. Year and importance. Year 1959. UNESCO launched an international campaign to protect the temple and artifacts in Egypt. 1965. A White House conference in the US called for a World Heritage. Next, 1968. The International Union of Conservation of Nature developed similar goals as above. 1972. The International Union of Conservation of Nature presented the goals at United Nations Conference of Human Environment in Stockholm, Sweden. 2009. There are 890 World Heritage Sites that are located in 148 countries on map. Now, question number 2. Name the following. A. The country where Mount Hangshan or the Hangshan is situated. It is situated in China. B. The famous dam in Egypt on river Nile, Aswan High Dam. C. The place where the conference based on human environment was held, Stockholm or the Sweden. D. The country in which the highest number of World Heritage Sites are. Answer is 44, Italy. E. The body which can include a site from World Heritage list. Answer is World Heritage Committee. Third question, complete the following sentences. A. The World Heritage Site includes forest, lake, mountains, buildings and cities. B. There were around 890 World Heritage Sites in the world. 890. C. The role of the World Heritage Committee is, answer is to list the sites as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. D. The tenure of the World Heritage Committee is 6 years. E. We can get more information about World Heritage Site from its website at wsc.unesco.org. Now question number 4. Complete the following way by giving reasons why World Heritage Sites are in danger. Answer are given directly. Answer direct दिलेले आहेत. World Heritage Sites are in danger. War, uncontrolled urbanization, poachings, then natural disasters, acid rain, then heavy tourist traffic, human intrusions and pollutions. These are the World Heritage Sites in danger. This is the reasons. कारण आहेत बघा त्याच्यामुळे तो वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज साइट्स धोक्यात आले आहेत. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, आन्सर इन युअर ओन वर्ड्स. स्वतःच्या शब्दामध्ये उत्तर लिहायचं आहे. ए. व्हॉट आर द ड्युटीज टुवर्ड्स प्रिझर्वेशन ऑफ एनी हिस्टॉरिकल साइट. आन्सर इज 1 A. Being a part of the adopt a heritage initiative. Second, prevent ourselves and others from scribbling on the wall. Third, spreading awareness about these monuments and their importance. Fourth, participating in the regular cleanliness drives. Now B. Why should we preserve the World Heritage Sites? Answer is because it provides a sense of identity and continuity in a fast changing world for future generations. Heritage buildings basically represent the past history and culture of a nation. Now see, what is the role of the World Heritage Sites in promoting tourism in any countries? Answer is the World Heritage Convention cites that one of the main obligations in conserving World Heritage places is to present their significance to the public. Informing the visitors and managing their expectations is a vital role for all tourism promotions agencies and the travel sector. Now question number 6. Read the following duties towards preservations of any historical sites and make sentences about each of our duties. First is obey rules and regulation. And sentence is visitor must obey the rules and regulations displayed at the entrance. Second, maintain discipline and order. And sentence is visitor must maintain discipline and order. Third, maintain cleanliness. And sentence is all visitors must maintain cleanliness there. Next, use dustbin and garbage bags. Sentence is visitor must use dustbin and garbage from litter. Next, observe silence. Sentence is visitor must observe clear silence at the place. Next, maintain environmental safety. Sentence is visitor must maintain environmental safety. Next, protect our country's history or heritage. Visitor and we should all protect our country's history and heritage. Now question number 7. Complete the following flowchart by choosing from the options given below to show how any site of any country can become a World Heritage Site. Answer are given directly. Take an inventory. Next, inclusions from the tentative list for nomination file. Next, review of the file by advisory bodies. Next, decision of the World Heritage Committee. Next, name of the site in inscribed to World Heritage List. This is the process. Now question number 8. Match the pairs to define different role of the World Heritage Sites. Answer are given directly. This is the first. Identify culture and natural sites. Answer is of outstanding universal value across countries. Second, identify site of. And answer is special importance of everyone. Third is identify site that represent. Answer is best example of world's cultural and of natural heritage. 4. UNESCO seeks to. Answer is preserve outstanding sites and natural resources. 5th, World Heritage Sites should have. Answer is relevant development plan policies. 6. World Heritage Site should. Answer is protect these sites. 7th, World Heritage Site serve as. Answer is an assets for economic development and investment. 8. World Heritage Site should ensure. Answer is green, local based, stable and decent job. 9th, it should at large develop. Answer is tourism. Now question number 9. Do you know the difference between World Heritage and cultural heritage? Answer. First, World Heritage. UNESCO has set itself the task of preserving those natural and cultural assets of the world that are of outstanding universal value. The International Conventions of 23rd November 1972 concerning the protections of world cultural and natural heritage. The World Heritage Conventions for short in the most important international tool created by the community of nations to protect its cultural and natural heritage. Then second, cultural heritage. The cultural heritage sites currently on the World Heritage Site include buildings of historical importance, towns, centers and the archaeological sites, monuments to engineering history, industrial monuments and important memorial sites from human history. Now question number 10. Following are the ways to preserve World Heritage Sites. Transfer this point into a small paragraph. Suggest a suitable title. Now first, practical conservations of posterity. The second, human or animal trespassing. Next, unmonitored or uncontrolled unrestricted access. Next, threat of local administrative negligence. Or the answer is, the title of this paragraph is Preserving World Heritage Sites is Our Duty. And paragraph is by World Heritage Sites are a symbol of history, or they are representations of the past, and the several times it becomes hard to understand why exactly we need to spend time, energy and money to preserve heritage sites. Heritage sites are living monuments and record of certain happenings, and this is our real connection to our past. It proves the existence of our ancestors. Heritage conservation has proven to be a thriving place for entrepreneurships and innovations. It has also shown increases property values. Also, since the work is very labor intensive, it actually ends up creating more jobs. Heritage, whether tangibles or intangibles, is our history. We might debate why it is important to conserve it. Some may argue that the past is dead and the future is where resources and energy should be invested. However, one should not forget that heritage, be it monuments or culture, has widespread impacts and influences on and in society. Now, question number 11. Find from the text minimum 8 words related to cultural heritage and make a word register. Arrange them in an alphabetical order. बघा ते रिलेटेड शब्दाचे कल्चरल हेरिटेजचे आणि ते नंतर अल्फाबेटिकल लावायचे. अल्फाबेट आन्सर इज गिवन डायरेक्टली. आन्सर आर्ट, आर्टिफॅक्ट्स, कल्चर, लिटरेचर, मोन्युमेंट्स, साइट्स, टेम्पल्स, टेरिटरी. बघा हे अल्फाबेटिकल लावूनच दिलेले आहे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Look at the word and their meanings. Underline the correct alternative. First is determine. A is think over, decide, ask for, look over. Answer is decide. Second is monument. A, statue. B, pillar. C, memorial building. And D, fort. Answer is memorial building. Third, significant. A, clever. B, effective. C, systematic. And D, important. And answer is important. 4, disaster. A, problem. B, incident. C, calamity. Or the D, accident. Answer is calamity or the calamity. Question number 13. Rewrite the following sentences using not only but also and as well as in 2 separate sentences. First sentence is UNESCO and the International Council on Monuments initiated a draft conventions to create an international organization, UNESCO, for protecting cultural heritage. First answer, not only but also. The answer is not only UNESCO but also the International Council on the Monuments initiated a draft conventions to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. And as well as, answer is UNESCO as well as the International Council on Monuments initiates a draft conventions to create an international organization responsible for protecting cultural heritage. The second, the state parties are responsible for identifying and nominating new sites. First answer, not only but also, the state parties are responsible not only for identifying but also nominating new sites. As well as answer is, the state parties are responsible for identifying as well as nominating new site. Third, Opera House in Australia and the historic center of Vienna in Austria are cultural site of World Heritage. Answer is first, not only but also, not only Opera House in Australia but also the historic center of Vienna in Austria are cultural site of World Heritage. And as well as Opera House in Australia as well as the historic center of Vienna in Austria are cultural site of World Heritage. Fourth, World Heritage sites can be a combination of both cultural and natural areas. Not only but also, the answer is, World Heritage sites can be a combination of not only cultural but also natural areas. And as well as answer is, World Heritage sites can be a combination of cultural as well as natural areas. Fifth, to protect the temples and artifacts, UNESCO launched an international campaign. Answer, not only but also, the answer is, to protect not only the temples but also artifacts, UNESCO launch an international campaign. Second, as well as to protect the temples as well as an artifacts, UNESCO launch an international campaign. Next, question number 14. Rewrite the following sentences replacing as well as by no sooner than. Note, the phrases no sooner must always be followed by an auxiliary helping verbs. For example, as well as he came, they all gave an apology. Answer is, no sooner did he came than all gave an apology. A, as soon as the bill is passed, it will become an act. Answer is, no sooner is the bill passed than it will become an act. B, as soon as the thief escaped, the family informed the police. Answer is, no sooner did the thief escape than the family informed the police. C, as soon as you have finished, you can submit your answer papers. Answer is, no sooner have you finished than you can submit your answer paper. D, as soon as they can manage, they should change their house. Answer is, no sooner can they manage than they should change their house. E, as soon as the bell will ring, the school assembly will start. Answer is, no sooner will the bell ring than the school assembly will start. Now question number 15. Prepare a tourism leaflet on any one of the following. You may refer to the points given in the warming up. A, your home or town. B, a historical place. C, a place of natural beauty. D, a place of pilgrimage. Kasfatar in Satara district. Nearest railway station, Satara railway station. Nearest airport, Pune International Airport. Nearest bus stand, Satara bus stand. How to reach there? Kaspatar is situated 25 kilometers from the city of Satara. Multiple bases play to Satara from various cities in Maharashtra. From Satara bus stand there are many state transport buses that take visitor to Kas Pathar. Next are the facilities. Around 3 kilometers from Kas Pathar is the Kas village. There are numbers homestays accommodations available there. The main attractions of homestays is the food cooked using local ingredients on chulha. Attractions of the place. Kas Pathar is also called as the Valley of the Flowers of Maharashtra. Kas Plateau has more than 150 or more types of flowers, shrubs and grasses. The orchids bloom here for the period of 3-4 weeks during this season. Kas Plateau is a World Natural Heritage Site, part of the Sahyadri subculture. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Kas Pathar is right after the monsoon, that is in September and October, while the flowers are in full blossom. Other nearby sightseeing spot: first Kas Lake, then second Vajrai waterfall, third Koina project, fourth Kaner Dam, fifth Sajjangarh Fort.